Jatinga Valley, a small village in Assam, is known for its bizarre and mysterious phenomenon where birds commit suicide. Every year during September and October, in moonless, foggy and misty nights, millions of birds crash into buildings and towers, which ultimately leads to their death. This phenomenon was started in 20th century. Now, the possible reasons behind this phenomenon are attraction towards light, disruption in weather patterns, disruption in geomagnetic waves. Some people claims that it could be superstitious or omnipresent thing, but other think that it is a scientific phenomenon. Various awareness programs have been taken to prevent the birds' life over there. If you like the video, do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.